Hello kids, today we will learn ABCD. Let's go to learn first color name. Pink color, purple color, brown color, orange color, green color. Let's go to write ABCD. Pink color A. A for apple, A for apple. Orange color B. B for ball, B for ball. Purple color C. C for cat, C for cat. Brown color D. D for dog, D for dog. Green color E. E for elephant, E for elephant. Orange color F. F for fish, F for fish. Pink color G. G for grapes, G for grapes. Purple color H. H for horse, H for horse. Orange color I. I for ink, I for ink. Brown color J. J for jackal, J for jackal. Green color K. K for kite, K for kite. Pink color L. L for lion, L for lion. Purple color M. M for monkey, M for monkey. Orange color N. N for nest, N for nest. Brown color O. O for owl, O for owl. Green color P. P for parrot, P for parrot. Pink color Q. Q for queen, Q for queen. Orange color R. R for rose, R for rose. Purple color S. S for sun, S for sun. Brown color T. T for tiger, T for tiger. Pink color U. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Purple color V. V for violin, V for violin. Orange color W. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. Green color X. X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. Pink color Y. Y for yak, Y for yak. Orange color Z. Z for zoo, Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Tata!